So a lot of stores have this blue bottle, and it's usually a lavender oil, but it's not really essential oil, it's chemicals. And it does the trick, but it doesn't really last long. I rather use essential oils. Now with my version, I get an empty bottle, which you can find at a lot of department stores or online, and I fill it with distilled water. The reason why it's distilled is so it lasts longer, or you could boil it. And I use essential oils. Sometimes I mix, sometimes I don't. Like for the kitchen, I would like a sweet orange oil. For a refreshing smell, like the laundry room, you might want peppermint oil. Or for the bathroom, definitely eucalyptus. But today I'm going to use thieves oil. It has lemon, eucalyptus, rosemary, cinnamon, and clove bud. All of these are antibacterial, antiviral. And back in the day, in the medieval days, they swore by thieves oil. They would rub it on your skin cut with another oil, and they would put it in steam pots and, spray the castle with it or sway the pot of steaming water with it. So I'm going to use about 20 drops to this little pint. Now the blend of thieves oil is very nice for any room. It's fresh, antibacterial, antiviral, as I said. And you just shake it up. And then you spray it in the air. And 20 drops is perfect for this size bottle. So give it a try. Use natural essential oils. It doesn't have to be organic for room spray, but I do love the thieves oil blend. It's just very yummy. And you can spray your rugs, not silk, not crepe, and you must shake it up each time. You can use witch hazel, but why waste witch hazel? Now for a toner for your skin, you would use witch hazel and maybe essential rose oil. Thank you for watching.